Alrighty, everyone. It's that time of the day. It's math time. Woohoo! All right, this is lesson 97, transversals. So our new concept is a line that intersects two or more lines is called a transversal. If we look at the little purple lines that are going at an angle, and then we see the orange is our transversal. So you can see that it intersects both of them. It can intersect in any different way on that. That is the first way that it could intersect. All right, that is really super easy. So we are going to start working on the next one, which is the purple one right in the middle over there. And as we see, we can also label them exterior, interior, and exterior. Okay, so on the purple one in the middle, we have our exterior angles as 1 and 2 and 8 and 7. Great. And our interior angles are 4 and 3 and 5 and 6. All right, so when it's asking for you to label interior and exterior, that is what it's telling you to do. So those are really simple. We will work some more with those in just a minute. But first of all, let's go over and look at example number 1. Okay, this is again just working with transversal lines. So transversal W intersects parallel lines X and Y. Pretty easy on those, W, X, and Y. So the first thing it says, name the pairs of corresponding angles. So we have angle A, and remember, you've got to make sure and write your angle sign. Angle A and angle E. As we look at that, so find angle A, and the corresponding would be angle E. See the same shape, the same size, the same distance. And we have angle B and angle F. Again, same size, B and F. And then we have angle C and angle G. Perfect. And our last one on that is angle D and angle H. So again, generally it's an inside and an outside that corresponds to each other. B, it says name the pairs of alternate interior angles. So we're going to do the interior. So if we look back to the purple example, our interior is in the middle. Okay? So our pair of alternating interior angles would be angle D. Everybody find angle D right there? Perfect. And interior alternating, so that means we've got to be on the opposite. It would be angle F. So we have angle D on the left. Its interior alternate would be angle F on the right. And then we have angle C and angle E. So angle C this time is on the right, and angle E is on the left. All right, and then C, it asks us for name the pairs of alternating exterior angles. Again, alternating means opposite, okay? So exterior, perfect. So we have angle A and angle G. So we've got on the left and on the right. So angle A is on the left, angle G is on the right. Then we have angle B and angle H. There we go. Perfect. Again, alternating. It doesn't want them up and down. It wants them alternating. So if they are corresponding, they're on the same level, same side. If they're alternating, it's on the opposite side. And then D says if the measure of angle A is 115 degrees, Kaylee will write that up there. Perfect. Then what is the measure of angle E and angle F? Well, if A measures 115 degrees and our corresponding angle to A was E, what would E measure? Yep, 115 degrees. And then our corresponding alternate angle was angle F. Remember, it has to equal a total of what? 180. So we subtract 180 minus 15, and we should end up with 65 degrees. So our alternating angle for angle F should equal 65 degrees. Woohoo! Those are pretty easy. All right, we have our practice set on the board. We're going to do our practice set together tonight because it's one of those real simple ones like we just did, but just want to make sure you're getting these correct. So letter A, we are using the greenish, really turquoise color over here, practice set. Angle A says, which line in the figure at the right is a transversal? Remember, a transversal cuts two lines in half. So A would be, that's correct, line C, because it is cutting F and G in half. B, which angle is an alternate interior angle to angle 3? Alternate interior. Where's our interior again? Remember, it's right in the middle. So we find angle 3. Perfect. Alternating interior would be angle 5. Excellent. C, which angle corresponds to angle 8? Now again, if it corresponds, it's on the same side. So angle is inside, and the top one is angle 4, which is on the top. Woohoo! Excellent. D, which angle is an alternate exterior angle to angle 7? Angle 7. So we find 7, alternate exterior. Perfect. Angle 1. And now F, oops, missed E. So E says, if the measure of angle 1 is 105 degrees, what is the measure of each of the other angles in the figure? So angle 1 and angle 7 are what kind? Actually, let's do 5 first. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding, so they should be the same. Perfect. Angle 1 and angle 7 are alternating angles, so they should still be 105, because if I flipped it, that'd be the same size. Then I've got to look at angle 2, 4, 6, and 8. Well, if we have 105 on those, what are the other ones going to equal? Remember, what do they all have to equal? That's correct. 180 minus 105 should equal about 75 degrees. So, angles 2, 4, 6, and 8 should all equal 75 degrees. Woohoo! And then we have them 75 times 105 equals 180. Woohoo! Awesome. 3 should also equal 75. I don't know why they don't have it in there. Perfect. Actually, nope, let me take a look at that. Nope, angle 3 should equal 105. There it is. Perfect. Okay, so that is practice set on that. Take a look at it. If you have any questions, we will answer those tomorrow. But I want you to go ahead and try to see if they make a lot of sense. So you guys, I want for tonight to do number 28. Number 28. So read it, follow what we did on the board, and then come back with that as number 28, your homework for tonight. All right, wonder if we have a joke or a trivia for today. Let's see what we have.
We have a joke.
We have a joke. Okay, so Kaylee, what's your joke?
Why did the man take his clock to the vet?
Why did the man take the clock to the vet? Because it didn't ring anymore.
No.
Oh man, I missed it again. All right, put your answer on top of your page, write joke, and we'll see who gets it tomorrow. Woohoo! We shall see you guys in the morning. Have a great evening. Again, make sure you do number 28 for work tonight.